Chapter 1: Indian Heritage and Culture, History and Geography of the World and the Society. Indian culture will cover the silent aspects of art of form, literature, architecture, and from ancient to modern times. Modern Indian history from above the middle of the 18th century until the present significance events, personalizations, and issues. The freedom struggle at various stages and important contribution from different parts of the country. Post-independent consolidation and reorganization within the country. History of the world will include events from 18th century such as industrial revolutions, world wars, withdrawal of national boundaries, colonization, decolonization, political philosophies like communalism, capitalism, socialism, etc. Their forms and effect on the society. Salient features of Indian society, diversity in India. Role of women and women organization, population and associated issues, poverty and developmental issues, urbanization, their problems and their remedies. Effects of globalization on Indian society. Social empowerment, communalism, religionism and secularism. Salient features of world's physical geography. Distribution of key natural resources across the world including South Asia and the Indian subcontinent factors responsible for the location of primary, secondary and tertiary sector industries in various parts of the world. Important geophysical phenomena such as earthquakes, tsunami, volcanics, activity, cyclone, etc. Geographical features and their location changes into critical geographical features including water bodies and ice caps and in the flora and the fauna of the effect of such changes.